What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here. Just doing an update for the channel here. Gonna start off with the giveaway. Shout out to my man Antonio. He guessed the right number, man. Came up DS18 for the win, and number 18 was the number for the win. So these speakers will be going out to him hopefully tomorrow. Already got the email from him as far as his shipping address. Looks like he's a California cat. So once again, congratulations to Antonio. We'll get these speakers out to you. Everything's the same as it's been. It's just been sitting in the lab here. So I'll get these boxed back up and we'll get that shipped out to you here. But the purpose of this video is not for those DS18s. It's for those. Let me grab this box here. So this is probably like unboxing number 87. When it comes to some DS18 EXL speakers. I know a couple weeks ago I did unbox these here, which is the Neo speakers. This go around we have the 6.5 EXLs. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this. Maybe somebody's going to stumble up on this video who hasn't seen all my other ones. Like I said, when it comes to this DS18 EXL speaker, I've had a ton, so we'll just go ahead and get this out. Get that box out the way and get the speaker out the plastic. All right, boom. So there's one, your DS18 EXL. The 6.5 is rated at 300 watts RMS. The 8-inch speaker is rated at 400 watts RMS. Let me get this here. Have y'all been rocking with me for, what, a year or so now? Y'all know, well, actually, just this year, over the summer, I did run, oh, this one didn't come with the paperwork in it. Or maybe it did and I took it out because these have been sitting around for a while. So, but I can guarantee y'all they're brand new. But like I said, if y'all been rocking with me for a while, even just over this past summer, I did have the DS18. Matter of fact, I'll move these out the way. The jokers are heavy. I did have the DS18 8-inch speakers, the EXLs, of course. Slide that around, get that up there. So like I said, when it comes to the 6.5, you're looking at RMS of 300 watts RMS, 8, 400 watts RMS. So, like I said, if you've been with me over the summer, I did have 4 of the 8-inch speakers in my Tahoe, screaming something serious. So, like I said, at the end of the day, when it comes to DS18, I am a DS18 fanboy, because why the heck not? So, more stuff coming. Like I said in my last video, working on a new build, obviously. If I'm buying speakers, I'm working on something, man. So we got something coming up. And I think I did say in my last video too. Now, I have all these 6.5s. However, I'm thinking of sticking with the 8s. So we'll see what happens, man. But like I said, at the end of the day, y'all know me. There'll be more updates to come. Ordered these Texas edition things here for the new build. Had no idea that these things are going to be this big, so I guess at the end of the day, they say everything's bigger in Texas. They wasn't freaking lying, because these things, some decals I ordered for the new whip. Haven't revealed that yet, but that'll be coming up real soon here as well. And in the background, lift this up a little bit. 1, 2, there's 40s. Y'all can see 1, 2, 3, and then number 4. So, got plenty of these DS18 BDX43 speakers. So like I said, this pair here, it's over to the right of me now. Those are going out to Antonio. Like I said, I'll get those shipped out to Cali tomorrow. Definitely give you the tracking information on that. But for the rest of you who didn't win this competition, there'll be another giveaway coming up real soon, like I don't know, maybe a day or two. Give me some time to figure something out. We'll go from there, man. So yeah, quick unboxing video. Just some DS18 speakers. Get the old ones out the way. The new ones in here. So these are just your regular EXL speakers. The other ones are my Neo. So we'll go from there as far as figuring what I want to do. So it's your boy Young Dub. Questions, comments, concerns, hit me up. I try to get back to everybody, man. It's your boy Young Dub. Y'all have a great day. I'm out of here.